I think the reason that I would prefer my patients see Dawn is number one, because she's very thorough in her exams. I feel that if they're coming from my practice, they've already at least had a comprehensive overview of what's going on with their mouth. My preference is for them to see someone who at least has the same level of understanding of what's going on as far as dentistry goes. And Dawn is, extremely well versed in her field of orthodontics, and that's basically why I rely on her abilities to do what she does at a very high level. I do a lot more adult restorative dentistry, so adults that are, essentially out of primary teeth, either a lot of bigger reconstructive cases or things that have had a lot of wear, or maybe people just haven't had that much time to spend on their teeth, have let things go for a while, and now they're kind of coming back into dentistry, and sometimes rebuilding those can be an interesting case. So Dawn gets to see quite a few of those that I have sent to her, and I feel good about the feedback that I've been getting from the patients, and she always is extremely good about sending me back status reports of where are we in the case. If we have things that need to be done in phases, can I get something on my end done kind of while the process is getting done? Because typically those cases are not just 6 months. It's sometimes a year, or sometimes a year and a half. Reasons that I want you to see Dawn are, number one, she's going to be, again, very thorough with her exam. She will not leave unless she knows that all the options you've presented with are covered. If there's any questions you have, make sure you ask. She's very good about answering questions regarding pretty much anything that you can think of. For kids especially, a lot of this stuff is brand new. They're not, a lot of kids just aren't having that much of an experience in my office. I mean, they're basically, getting their teeth cleaned. So, dental work is not something that they've really had that much exposure to. And I think she's very good at least making sure that, they're staying apprised of, what their responsibilities are as well. So I think if we're looking for somebody who's going to give you your money's worth, get the value out of what you're buying, she's the one I'd like you to see.